Trinamul Congress kabalong kaway na padang kisang san partai kabala kami ala dia bakadon ha padang gajing akun bat kisang kibadon ha sarkar MDA bat kam tam bat ki kam bam sap kala ong bakala bu da kabaje kabalong kum kadak ban aipor ya sarkar MDA bat katakan kot ha ka artarik urber arja arpulai ha kapor khat arbaje mensngi ya kadi gajingbo ya kapor da penyeng ru da kabaje hakmat ki office jong ka party hamman la ki nong ba jong ki district lapan ipat baru daw nong elam ka TMC ha ka jella u Dr. Mukul Sangma ha ka jinge kendu bat kilat pathai khubor ha ka arpoi tarik urempang arja arpulai ha ka office ka badon ha nong ba Shillong.
The confession that they make, that they will say anything, they will promise anything, they will lie before the people just to get votes. Didn't Batan Song say it before the public? Whether it was in Umsning, whether it was in Maulai. Now I don't know whether people will still believe him and then vote for him. He must be lying to all his people of Peninsula now. That he will give him this, he will give her that, he will bring this development. Friends, I am telling you one thing. Today, the way our party, TMC in Meghalaya, has established ourselves with the love and affection of the people from across the state, it's amazing. It's amazing. People from every nook and corner, people from difficult areas, they are waiting for us. The only thing is that it's very difficult to reach everywhere. That's always the inherent challenge in a political system. Because people want to connect. People want to make themselves known that they are part and parcel of this resolve to bring the change. Now that is the tough job that we are engaging in, but then thankful to all the foot soldiers. Today, as you see, everywhere. If we have more time here, another 5 days extra, you will see sweeping. I'm telling you, you don't need any political party. We can stand on our own feet. As TMC Meghalaya, we are going to demonstrate that the people of the state has this whole resolve to see that there is a change. And when they say they need a change, there's no other political party. They are not talking about any other political party. It's TMC. Action on any instances of irregularities or corruption is on you. If you instantly deny, then I have reasons to believe that you are the patron. Otherwise, the kind of instances of alleged corruption of this scale cannot happen without the patronage of the people in authority. That is what has been said number of times. So therefore, it doesn't matter whether they act or not now, but I will have to count my time, I am counting the time when the people will free. How many days are left? 8 days, 22 hours, 42 minutes, 49, now 48, 47 seconds. Yeah. The time is ticking. Okay. Not far away that Meghalaya will be freed from this corrupt government. And we will restore the name and fame of this beautiful state and restore the past glory of this beautiful state.
Kajing say so ha ka rap karyang kajing kmen ya kinong rap. Anda la treikam ka TMC ha ka ba shipawa jar tingka shisnem anya rap pisa ya baro kinong rap ha ka jella lingba kajing pen mi ya ka scheme with my farm Farmers Assistant for Rural Meghalaya.
Hakane ka apnyo trek urempang Shan ya kasap jong pi haki artli kisentil bat kersan ya ka Meghalaya TMC.
Even after so many years, Meghalaya only has one government medical college. Is this the Meghalaya we want to leave behind for our children? It's time to speak up about the issues blocking Meghalaya's development. Share your suggestions with Modi ji and become a part of Meghalaya's developmental journey. Give a missed call at 8360006060. Together, this 27th February, let's empower Meghalaya.
Congress's commitment to Meghalaya, a drug-free Meghalaya, strict action against drug peddling, an opening of 50 new de-addiction centers statewide.
5 commitments na kasing Congress na kabinta ka 5 stars.